So you need a research tool that can quickly provide you with data about product demand, competition, the quality of your competitors' listings, and where they rank in the search results on Amazon, but you're not sure which one is right for you. In this video, I'll explain the difference between Jungle Scout's 3 different plan types and which one is right for your needs. If you're just starting out, you might be tempted to get the basic plan since it's the least expensive, but you'll actually get much better value out of the suite plan. Why? Because the basic plan is extremely limited in the tools it offers and is more useful for established sellers who just want access to Jungle Scout's browser extension and sales analytics tools. If you're trying to find a product to sell or do comprehensive keyword research, you need the suite plan instead because it unlocks access to all of Jungle Scout's tools and it allows you unlimited searches of their research tools like Product Database, Opportunity Finder, and Keyword Scout. It will also give you more historic data about units sold and keyword search volume, which is necessary for making a truly informed decision about which product you should sell. Plus, it comes with access to Jungle Scout's new AI Assist features integrated into tools like Listing Builder and Review Analysis, so you can speed up the process of researching and writing listings. The professional plan comes with all the same tools in the suite plan, but it offers even more historic data about historic search volume and units sold, and it comes with a whopping 6 additional user seats included in the monthly subscription price. So it's best for e-com businesses that are already regularly selling and have multi-person teams. All of the plans are available on a month-by-month or a yearly basis, and if you buy an annual plan, although you'll be charged for the full year up front, if you divide that cost by 12 months, you'll actually save $240 on the suite plan and $549 on the professional plan compared to if you were to pay for those 12 months individually. That being said, if you want to benefit from my affiliate discount by clicking the link in the video description, the shortest length of time you can get for a discounted rate is a 3-month suite plan, which is a great package for beginners since researching product niches and narrowing them down to a couple of great opportunities that you could sell can take a couple of months. Most people watching this are probably at the beginning of their Amazon journey, so I wanted to make one final recommendation. Jungle Scout offers a full video course that walks you through every step of the process of building a profitable Amazon business called the Freedom Builder Bootcamp. It comes with lifetime access to the course itself, along with an entire year of the professional plan for free, so you can see as much historic data as they offer while following the course and get access to any new features that Jungle Scout rolls out first to their professional users. A year of Jungle Scout's professional plan is already $999 by itself, so when you buy the Freedom Builder Bootcamp Master Bundle from my affiliate link, you're already saving basically $1,000 and getting access to the best Amazon FBA walkthrough out there. Building your own Amazon business is challenging, but picking the right tool to help you build it doesn't have to be. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel where you'll find more useful content for building your own successful Amazon business yourself.